Hello students, Jaivansh this side. I hope all of you along with your families are in really good health and I hope all of you are taking all the necessary precautions that have been told. Today we'll be going through model answer paper for science 2. As we all know, question number 1 was fill in the blanks. Very easy. The 3 answers that you write are going to fetch you 3 marks. The first answer, as you can see on the screen, is 22nd May, the World Biodiversity Day. Second, earthquake is a geophysical type of disaster. Third, laughter club is a remedy to drive away stress. So if you've written all the 3 answers correctly, please give yourself 3 marks. Next, we go to match the column. It is okay if you've not actually put it into columns and you've directly written 1 and the answer, 2 and the answer. Okay. So war, you can write as man-made disaster. 108 is a helpline number for disaster control unit. Rare species, musk deer, and e-waste 2011. So I hope everybody is really clear till here. Each match the following. Okay, each question is for half a mark. Then we go to question number 1C, that is complete the following. Again, something that is very easy. For rare species, musk deer. Indeterminate species, you have to write giant squirrel. Also, bracket, you can write shekru. Tsunami is a geological disaster. Hailstorms is a atmospheric disaster. Question number 1D, state whether true or false. Again, something that was very simple. Meditation helps students to improve concentration in their studies. Obviously true. Second, mock drill creates fear among people. False. If you write the correct statement, that is also fine, but for now, state whether true or false. If you've written both correct, please give yourself 2 marks. Question 1E, we go to define. See students, this is a very important question, and definitions always have to be to the point. You cannot put in your own words when you write these definitions. So if you have written this entirely correct, only then will you get full 1 mark. So for biodiversity is richness of living organisms in nature due to presence of varieties of organisms, ecosystems and genetic variations within a species. Second, genetic diversity. It is occurrence of diversity among the organisms of same species called as genetic diversity. So I hope all of you are very clear till here. Question number 1 was completely objective type questions. So the fill in the blanks is for 3 marks. Match the following for 2 marks, that is half mark each. Complete the following again for 2 marks, that is 1 mark each. State whether true or false, again 1 mark each, and define 1 mark each. So that completes us with 11 marks of objectives. Then we go to question number 2. Answer any 2 out of the following for 4 marks, that is 2 marks each. First, give reason of effective disaster management makes us well prepared for future. So there are 6 points given here, something that is very easy. Out of these 6 points, you have to mention at least 4. I would want you people to write 6 because then you safeguard yourself from getting any marks deducted. So it is better if you write all the 6 points, but out of these, if you've written any 4, you can give yourself full 2 marks. The first point has to be present because that is the definition of disaster management. So make sure that first point is there and other 3 out of 5 you can write. Question number 2, write short note on Salam Mumbai Foundation. So here again there are 6 points. I would still recommend again that you write all the 6 points because this is an entire answer and it is a very important answer. So please make sure you've written all 6 points. Okay. If you've written only 4 points for now is fine, but I want all of you to have these 6 points written. So that is again for 2 marks. If you have written the entire answer, give 2 marks. If you have missed out on something, please cut half a mark for each point that you have missed. Write the differences between food chain and food web. So students, this was again a very simple question which you have already studied in 9th standard. So this proves that there is a possibility of your basics coming into picture when you're writing exams, especially for 10th standard, because 9th standard questions can be included. So food chain and food web are very simple concepts. Food chain is a series of organisms feeding on one another. Whereas when we talk about food web, it is interconnected food chains. That is many food chains together. In food chain, the member of higher trophic level feeds upon a single type of organism in the lower trophic level. So I hope all of you remember the ecological pyramid. But in case of food web, there are organisms which can feed on organisms from other food chains as well. The example remains the same: food chain in a grassland ecosystem and a food web of a grassland ecosystem. Both of them are going to be very different. So if you have covered all 3 points, please give yourself 2 marks. Then we come to answer the following. 5 questions were asked here for 10 marks. That is again 2 marks each. How would you conserve environment? So attempts are made at various levels and are performed for conserving environment. Different levels accordingly, write at least 4 out of these. So you get 2 full marks. Depending upon which 4 you've written, please give yourself half mark for each. Next we go to explain the importance of good communication with others. Here as well, there are 6 points given, out of which write 4 at least. So that will fetch you 2 marks. Question number 3, what are the destructive effects of floods? This you can write more points as well, but these are the basic points that are given. Make sure these are covered. So villages get submerged, loss of life and property, roads, bridges, farms, automobiles are destroyed, animals are killed, insect infest the affected area, leading to imbalance of an ecosystem, and chemical and hazardous substances can get mixed with water, therefore polluting the whole area. So these are some basic points. There might be more points as well which you must have written. List the factors which affect social health. So there are several points given here. At least write 6 to 8 of them. I know it is for 2 marks. Only 4 is also okay, but it is always better to write extra in case of answer the following, so that you safeguard yourself and you don't lose marks anywhere. Then we go to question number 5, that is forest fire. What is forest fire and what is its effect on environment? So first of all, it is a natural disaster that is found in some forests where due to rising temperature, suddenly the dry plant matter catches fire. So this is one point that has to be there in your answer. So that is for 1 mark. And the effects are very, very simple. If you have written any 2 effects, you can give yourself 1 mark. Next, we go to explain the structure of Disaster Management Authority. I hope everybody has written this really well. If you've not written the flowchart, it is fine. I just want all of you to write the answer correctly. So these are the 9 points. In case of disaster management, there should be an attempt to minimize the losses. Authority has been established at the level of government. According to the Disaster Management Act that was passed in 2005 in our country, then there are different levels. So here district level is introduced. Then there are district control units, and they are also going to help in coordinating with the voluntary organizations. So all these points you have to cover, and this is for 5 marks. So if you have written all the 9 points, you get full 5 marks. Explain the various ways to minimize stress. Now see students, this year there are going to be many questions which are going to be personal response questions. So I will prefer, or I will recommend you people that you read through as many books you can throughout the year, so that you get to know more about each of these answers, and you can write more points which are different from what others are going to write. So here are the basic points given as joining a laughter club, communicating with friends, peers, cousins, expressing our feelings to near and dear ones, fostering hobbies. There are a few people who like photography, reading, cooking, etc. And learning and listening to music, because singing helps to change the mindset and also keeps us happy. Regular exercising, massages, visit to spas, yoga, very, very important. Time management and planning out of our own duties, and decision power, also effective ways of stress management. So I hope all of you are very, very clear. Once again, we'll go through the entire thing so that there is no confusion for you people. Question 1 was entirely objectives, 5 sub questions. Fill in the blanks for 3 marks, match the following for 2, complete the following for 2 again, true or false for 2, and definitions for 2 marks. Then we go to question number 2, answer any 2 for 4 marks. That is, each question is for 2 marks. So out of these 3, any 2 that you have written, and if you've written them correctly, please give 2 marks for each. Then we go to question number 3, where 5 questions are being told to answer for 10 marks. That is 2 marks per question. If you have written all of them correctly, you can get full 10 marks. Then we go to question number 4, write any one for 5 marks. If you written explain the structure of disaster management authority, write all these 9 points to fetch yourself full marks, or explain various ways to minimize stress. Out of these 8 points, I know there might be some differences in your points, but you very well know how you can reduce your own stress. So please make sure the points that you've written are actually legitimate. If you want, you can take help from a friend, or you can contact your teacher for this as well. So thank you so much. Hope you have a good day. Take care.